Hi everyone, this is Anas from Battery Shack. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a Galaxy S10E screen replacement. And no worries, all the tools and the parts in the description below. The reason why I'm at home today because we're in a lockdown and we live in Michigan due to the coronavirus. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with others. And I want to introduce someone to you guys today, and she's been wanting to be on the camera for so long, and today is the day to do it since she have no school. Here she is. Come here. What are you gonna say?
To my channel.
She said subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. What are you gonna say?
I did it.
Say make sure you give it a like. Say make sure you give it a like.
Like.
Thank you guys, and let's jump right into the tutorial.
What's up my YouTube fans? Let's go ahead and jump right into it. As you see over here, we got the Galaxy S10E. It has a little bit of crack on the top layer of the screen. No worries, we're going to go ahead and replace the Galaxy S10E screen and fix it and install the new LCD glass. First thing you want to do, basically turn the phone off and then heat up the back plate of the Galaxy S10E. No worries over here, the back plate is not going to break. It's not like you got a Galaxy S10 Plus or a Galaxy S9 where the back layer of the phone is glass. The Galaxy S10e over here, the back layer of the phone is plastic. Heat it up, use your blow dryer maybe at a high temperature or a heat gun at a medium temperature, and start prying the back plate of the Galaxy S10e slowly. You can use your pry opener tool, or you can use any thin plastic tool you have at home, or maybe you can use a business card. Alright guys, so over here we're almost done prying off the back plate of the Galaxy S10e. Get prepared to lift it up a little bit from the side and flip it to the other side. And here is the adhesive on the back plate of the Galaxy S10e. Next thing you want to do, you want to remove all the phillip screws from the back of the Galaxy S10e. That way we can remove the circuit board and replace the screen. Alright guys, good job. Next you want to do, just remove the plastic plate where the speaker is, and then just start removing the rest of the Galaxy S10e back phillip screws. And the black thin plate what I just removed that's where your wireless charging antenna is. So basically if you ever your wireless charger stop charging, just remove that back plastic plate and replace it, and then your phone should charge wirelessly again. Disconnect all the cables, the battery cable, the screen cables, the Wi-Fi antenna cables. Just disconnect all the cables. That way first we got no power to the circuit board. Second, when we remove the circuit board we lift it up safely. As you see over here, I just removed the head jack from the bottom of the circuit board. That way we don't cut off the ribbon cable. Remove your front camera also, disconnect the cable. And over here we're going to try to remove the SIM card tray. Next, start prying your circuit board up. Just do it slowly. You can use your plastic pry opener tool. Just put it under the circuit board and lift it up. Make sure there is no cables connected to the circuit board, or if there is no remaining screws hooked to it. Good job guys. If you have made it this far, please give this video a like, and let's continue replacing the Galaxy S10e screen. We're gonna remove the battery too. What you want to do, you want to heat it up a little bit from the front and the back, because most of the Galaxy or most of the Samsung phones, there is adhesive also under the battery, so we cannot remove it safely without making it loosen a little bit. We can do that by heating the battery up a little bit with the medium temperature. Just put your pry tool there, or if you have a flat screwdriver, just make sure you don't poke a hole in the battery, because the battery will start smoking. Do it slowly, do it gently, take your time with that part over here. Now remember, some of the screens already comes with the battery pre-installed and some don't. The new screen that I have in this video that does not have a battery come with it. The battery did not come with it, but it has a speaker in it. Now you can spend a little bit extra money if you want and get a screen with the pre-installed battery. As you see over here, if you want to change your top speaker, go ahead and heat it up and use tweezer and remove the top speaker. If your screen does come with a speaker, you don't need to remove any speaker. You don't need to remove your speaker from out of the old screen. Now here is our new Galaxy S10e screen replacement. And as you can see, the top speaker already comes with the new screen pre-installed on it, so we should be good. We don't need to transfer any speakers to the new screen for the Galaxy S10e. Just remove the vibrator and remove your head jack, and everything should be good to go. Give this video a like so far. If you're getting any value, please go ahead and install your circuit board back on your Samsung phone. Do it gently. Put the top first, put the bottom layer into the phone first, and then push it a little bit from the top, and everything should go back in there smoothly. Go ahead and clip the rest of the cables for the screen, for the LCD, and for the head jack. Put everything back together the way that you took it off, or the way that I took it off actually. Put your top camera, put the head jack, and put your SD card, and start putting everything back together, and including with the screws. Now over here, we're going to put the front camera. And here is our battery. You can use the same adhesive that come with the new screen replacement. Some screen replacements do have a battery adhesive on it, and some don't. If you do have a thin double-sided tape at home, use that. If you don't, I will link to one in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Or you can use a B7000. I will put the link to it in the description below. You can fix a lot of things with this adhesive. It's not too strong, it's not too weak. Check out the link below and read the reviews. A lot of jewelries, a lot of places use this adhesive. It's much better than crazy glue and everything. Push your battery down for a couple seconds just so it sticks to the back frame of the Galaxy S10e. And just go ahead and put your SIM card tray back in there. Connect your LCD ribbon cable and your battery cable and your camera and your front camera. Just make sure everything is connected properly, and go ahead and put your wireless antenna back in there. Take your time, you don't need to rush anything out. Push it down if it's not going in, push it a little bit harder. Make sure you check the back plate if there's any screws stuck to it. Sometimes things can get magnetic a little bit, so screws will stick on the back of the black plate for the wireless antenna. Push it in, make sure you hear a little snap. If you don't, just put your screws in and everything should be good to go. Go ahead and put the remaining Phillip screws back in there. And now we're going to put the back plate to the bottom of the Galaxy S10e. Guys, now you know how to do a Galaxy S10e screen replacement, or what you want to call it, a display replacement, and you can fix your cracked Galaxy S10e. I'm so proud of you if you have made it this far. And guys, please, if you're getting any value out of this video, please subscribe to this channel. That way I can make more repair videos like this one for you. As you see here, I plugged the Galaxy S10e to the charger. Make sure the screen will confine. Now I believe we got 2 more screws. We're gonna go ahead and install them back in there. Good job everyone, I'm so proud of you. I hope this video has helped you so far fixing your Galaxy S10e screen and do a display replacement. If you have any problem with your Galaxy S10e, such a cracked screen or a black screen, or if there is lines in your LCD, this tutorial is for you on how to replace a Galaxy S10e screen. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next one.